So look what we've got here to start with, guys. This beautiful Bentley. All the moss forming on the window seal here. Amazing old classic car. See if doors open. Almost looks like it is. Oh yes. Look at this. Love this sort of interior. How beautiful. The Bentley are. Look at these, what are these? Got dials. Panel light, radio balance, radio aerial, wiper washer. Just budge me back. So cool. What's this there? Wow. So well thought, all the interior. CD player maybe would have gone there, or a radio. Got a Mercedes E250 here. Look at this. Out a barn shed. Got two tractors there. House. What's this? Ford Probe. Coming into like a workshop here. Can't see any tax disc, but as always, guys, we'll do our reg checks. Wondering if it opens. Oop. Sheer amount of filth on it though, and dust. Birthplace of the Rugby League, Huddersfield Giants. This almost seems like it goes into that. But how do we get into that second bit? Because I think I'm seeing something there. Give you a look around this workshop first. Look at steering wheels. Picture. Car parts. Definitely know there's a car in there, guys, but at the minute we're not seeing a good way into it. We do have these two tractors next to these sort of storage cabins. Again, more car parts about. unless we try around the back. See if there's a way in. Look at all this old machinery. Cement mixer there. Proper secure these little storage spaces. Got another little tractor here. Old dumper. I'm not too sure what that is. Tip back. Just get the torch out to show you this. But yeah, it's one of those rollers, isn't it? It's sort of used for like tarmac. Mercedes van. 311 CDI. Sprinter. And we've just got even more cars, guys. This is insane. Start with BMW here. Seat paintwork deteriorating slowly but surely. Back bumper just coming off slowly as well. Try and make our way around. 525 TD. I'll just have a little sneak peek what's back here before we carry on with other cars. Ooh, appears like yet another workshop. Whoever lived here definitely enjoyed their cars. And all the mechanics needed to go into either restoring them or repairing them or doing them up. But yeah, got a horseshoe there. So that next car, I think we've got a Vauxhall Corsa here. Yeah, correct. Corsa 1.2. Proper iced up these windows, haven't they? What year? 31st to the 12th, 2014. Nissan. Door opens. Bachelor's collection. Quite a few tapes about. So yeah, we've got two of these Nissans. One's in a lighter red and one's in sort of like a crimson red here. This one definitely stands out more, doesn't it? This one's not opening, unfortunately. Seems like door from this outer shed has collapsed on the side of the car there, which is another shame. See door seal here peeling off. The front bumper as well, absolutely come off the front there. proper buried by all these brambles too. We have yet another Mercedes. Got gold rims on it. The red calipers. Tried to sport it up a bit, haven't they? Have a burnt out Caravan or two. We've got here E220 CDI. So much dust and mould on this car. Doesn't appear anyway in to have a look at the interior. Let's have a look at the Caravan at the back, since this one's just literally the bottom shell now. Absolutely burnt out. It's a camper. Got sort of a living room, dining room area. A sink, kitchen. It's proper well dated, given off all this cupboards. Or is this the seating area? Or even possibly could be a bedroom if these pull out. Maybe.